Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 9:25. We are on our way to LaSalle. Si Mommy ang maghahatid sa akin ngayon. And I think always naman. This is my bag today. Ang ETA namin ay 9:48. Ay, medyo umaga na. Kanina mga 9:20, but then nung nag-skyway kami, nag-change siya. Today is my first day of face-to-face classes. And I brought my mic with me para I don't have to talk loud sa library. My plan is to get my ID first kasi hindi ko siya na-claim nung LPEP namin. And then, I'm gonna probably chill sa library later. Actually, may mga assignment na rin kami. Like, yung sinabi ko sa'yo na, yeah, I'm low-key excited, pero chill lang naman today, I think. Kasi, introduction pa lang ng ibang subject. Anyway, I'll update you guys later na lang ulit because wala naman akong ibang sasabihin. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's currently 12:41 and I just took a break from taking notes to show you guys what's inside my school bag. I'm sure you guys already know where this bag is from. It's from Bag Smart. I got it from TikTok shop, I think. Fits everything that I need whether I'm bringing my laptop or not. So I'm gonna start with the front pocket. I have my Jisoo Life fan. It's super hot in Manila. It's very heavy. Yun lang. Medyo mabigat siya sa bag. Pero it's very helpful naman. Next is the main compartment. First, sa zipper, I have my house keys. It has like a ano ba tawag dito, handle, so it's very easy to hold. And then I have this pouch where I put all of my gadgets, wires, etc. Inside, I have my power bank, and then I have my earphones for my phone. I have my hygiene kit. I'll show you guys what's inside. Very cute. And matagal ko nang ginagamit tong pouch na to because it fits all of my stuff perfectly. I have my lippies. I also have some white perfume. I have my toothpaste and toothbrush. I have pain reliever. I have lotion. I always need lotion with me. Kahit hindi malamig, I always get dry hands. So I have this one. Oil blotting paper. So yeah. Yeah, that is everything that is inside my hygiene kit. Of course, I have an umbrella. Sobrang unpredictable na ng weather nowadays. Change of location, guys. I'm now downstairs because it's getting really hot upstairs. I'm working on some assignments pa rin since I have deadlines today. I have kumot, but I'm not gonna fall asleep. I'm looking forward to finishing all of my assignments today actually because I want to read my book. It might be cringe for some people, but I'm currently reading Chasing in the Wild. I'm reading it with my friend Gael. I'm so touched when he said that he was gonna read it with me. Anyway, that's it for me. I think I'll just do my work. Nasa third page pa lang ako. Daming kailangan basahin, but it's easy to read naman. But it's nice. I like reading this one. This one is a very interesting topic for me. I don't know why, but I've always been drawn to like readings like this. And also, I like writing. So, this should be an easy task. Sadyang inaantok lang talaga ako right now. Alam niyo ba, sobrang dami kong videos here on my phone. And nag-delete ako ng 91 videos to make room for this vlog because one of my goals is to actually talk more sa vlog. That's why I bought this mic in the first place. I don't know what I'm doing. I should probably start reading instead of yapping. Hi guys, good morning. I am currently making matcha. This is new kasi guys, my frother broke. Sakto, my cousin gave me this whisk from Japan. Okay, I'm done whisking. This one is not my favorite, but this is what my dad got from Dali. Oh, I forgot to put my mic pala. But it's fine. Hi guys, guess what I just got from the grocery store today? I got a new strawberry jam. I'm definitely gonna reuse the container as like a matcha cup. Cause look.
So how are you and Dale getting along?
Well, I rode a bike 7 miles to have coffee with you, so that should tell you.
Ano sabi mo? Last class. Uy, the bag and the iPad. Uy! Ay! Nag-uusap ako! Sige ako na lang. Baka pwedeng lanyards na lang. First time ko ng gabi. Ay, second time ko pala. Sophia? Yeah. Angel baby. Ay! Ganun ba yung pagkahawak ko right now? Angel baby. Hi guys, sobrang aga ko sa campus today. It's just 6:30. My class starts at 7:30 pa. So I'm just writing some notes to my mom. And then later, after planning on
reading my book, finally. Kahapon kasi, I had like an hour to read, pero hindi ko na naman nadala yung libro ko. Nadala ko na siya, guys. This is how I look like right now. As in, wala pang tao talaga. Pero ang sarap, kasi campus is so fresh.